So, hi guys, this is a video how I made a steering pedals for my flight sim, and I have to stop this plane. Brakes on. Oh, okay. Ready to fly. Okay, I normally use a Force 3D Pro joystick, and it has rudder control, but I want to fly with those pedals. I saw they were about 150 euros, and I found it a little bit expensive, so I thought maybe I'll try something else. I also have this Microsoft Sidewinder laying around, but it has no rudder controls. It's a nice, very nice joystick, but no rudder controls. So I thought maybe I make something around it, so I can use it as pedals. So what I did is I took a piece of board, I think it's 30 centimeters square. I found these things. This is for keeping doors closed for little children. So you install it like this, and then there's a hook. I use it as a landing gear for my drones I built years ago. You need some little tubing. It's like silicone. 2 pieces of wire. Some Velcro, sticky and the fluffy one. Nuts and bolts and some washers, and a tie wrap. I prepared another board, so you can see how it's attached. Put the sticky Velcro on the board, the other side, the fluffy one here, put it here. It's okay, like this. Then you drill 2 3mm holes in it, and you attach these things just in line with the joystick. Other side too. Then what you do is put this away. So it's a little bit flexible. That's very nice. Then you take a tie wrap, put it around like this. Piece of rope. I also drilled 3mm holes here, so you can put the wire here. And you like this, attach it. Like this. So this is a poor man's flight sim pedal. The flight sim pedal. Oopsie poopsie. Like this. It's a little bit too tight.
So put the nuts just here. So it's okay. And the other side. So it's a little bit flexible, as you can see. Here. This one here. I think you can already see what is happening. Okay. See, it's a little bit like this, and then watch out, look. Yep, it's working, a little bit tighter, but you just play around with it like this, so maybe it's going better. Yep.
This is a real poor man's pedal. tighten the tie wrap, and now you have your pedals. And in Flight Sim you have to change some settings, so I will show you later, but this is of course to the right, to the left, and when you do this it brakes, so to the right, to the left, and brake. So what you do is, I'll show you later how you can set up the Flight Sim control options to make this steer to the left and the right. And you must disable this left right setting. You can leave it also on this side, on this Force 3D Pro, but on this Sidewinder this will be your new pedal and brake, pedal and brake. So what you do is put it on the ground, you steer like this to the right, left, and this is brake. On the, this side I put some, I don't know what it's called, but some rubber thingies, so it won't move around. So fly here, right, left, and brake, right, left, and brake. Okay, let's try. Okay, as you can see, the Force Feedback Pro is steering the ailerons and the elevator, and then this steers the rudder. So let's try. Do it like this, and then we can see how it goes. Okay, brakes off. Let's go. Full throttle. Right rudder, left rudder, right rudder. Oops. Right rudder, right rudder, right rudder, left rudder. So it works really well. Flaps up and land. Full flaps. Right rudder. 65 knots. Okay. Oops. Now we doesn't want to. Okay. Now we brake. Brakes. Okay. Oops. Right rudder. A bit of throttle. Right rudder. Right rudder. More throttle. Right rudder. It's a little bit sensitive, but doesn't matter. Left rudder. Okay. Brake. And brake. Yep, works. Okay. Full throttle. Brake. Oh, yeah. As you can see, it works nicely. Right rudder, right rudder, right rudder, full throttle, left rudder, and there he goes. Flaps up, flaps down, land again. Right rudder. Right rudder, left rudder, no, full up and brake, 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 brake. Okay. Full throttle. Rudder. Goes, flips up. Okay, that was our little demonstration. As you can see, it works. Right rudder, left rudder, no problem. And when you don't use it, keep your feet on the board, or if needed, you steer with your rudder. Okay guys, that's all. We go to options, then control options. Then you see here on the right Sidewinder joystick. If I unplug this the Sidewinder joystick like this, it's gone, and I only have the Logitech Force 3D Pro. That is my main joystick. Put it in the USB port, and I made a profile. That's this one. So I'll click on this, and I set it up like this: flight control surfaces, primary, and then I set rudder axis, and then joystick L dash axis X. And for the brakes, I set installed, or I set up brakes joysticks L axis Y dash. Maybe you have to do it in another way, but this is the idea. So we have two joysticks, Logitech 4 Pro and a Sidewinder. So that's all. And it works, and maybe you can make a different configuration with the Sidewinder joystick, make it better, but this works, so I'll use it until I find a cheaper a Saitek pedal, because I want to buy a Saitek pedal, but wait for a second-hand one that's a little bit cheaper. Now they sell it for 130 euros second-hand, but new they're 150. So okay, that's all, and I hope you like it. Bye bye.